Hello everyone, myself Siddharth Sherpa with today's SST classes. So as you all can see on the screen, today we will be discussing some multiple choice question from chapter 1 of your democratic politics, lesson 1, that is power sharing. So without wasting much time, let's move towards the questions. So I will be calling one by one, or you can raise your hands if possible, if you know the answer. Is that clear? So let's get started. Which one of the following statements about power sharing arrangement is correct? Power sharing is necessary only in societies which have religious, linguistic or ethnic divisions. Yeah, power sharing is suitable only for big countries that have regional divisions. Every society needs some form of power sharing even if it is small or does not have social divisions. Power sharing is not necessary at all. तो ये चार में से कौन सा ऑप्शन सही रहेगा? Okay, Aman Sharma, you can come on the board and you can write the answer. Okay, very good. Power sharing, every society needs some of power sharing even if it's small or does not have any social divisions. Power sharing एक प्रकार से बहुत जरूरी है. ये जरूरी नहीं है कि केवल पावर शेयरिंग किस पे हो, जहां पे एथनिक डिविजन्स हो या लिंग्विस्टिक डिविजन्स हो. पावर शेयरिंग ये जरूरी नहीं है केवल जहां पे बड़े कंट्री हो और जहां पे रीजनल डिविजन्स, ये जरूरी नहीं है. पावर शेयरिंग इसलिए जरूरी है, चाहे वो छोटी सी भी देश हो, चाहे उसमें सोशल डिवीजन हो, चाहे ना हो, उसमें भी पावर शेयरिंग का होना बहुत जरूरी है. इट विल हेल्प द कंट्री टू रन प्रॉपरली. सो लेट्स मूव टुवर्ड्स द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Consider the following statements about the ethnic composition of Sri Lanka. Major social groups are the Sinhala speaking 74% and Tamil speaking 18%. Among the Tamils are two subgroups, Sri Lankan Tamils and Indian Tamils. C. There are about 7% Christians who are both Tamils and Sinhala. D. Most of the Sinhala speaking are Hindus or Muslims and most of the Tamil speakers are Buddhist. Which of the above statements are correct? A, B, C, D correct है, A, B, D correct है, B, C, D correct है या A, B, C, D सारा correct है? Okay, Aman Dubey. A, B, C, that means all are correct. यानी कि major social groups ये सही है, 74 Sinhala and 18 Tamil. Tamils टू सब ग्रुप में बांटा गया, ये भी सही है, एंड क्रिश्चियंस के बारे में भी सही है. तो लास्ट वन इज रॉन्ग. इज दैट क्लियर? तो दैट मीन्स ए बी सी इज द करेक्ट वन. बेल्जियम शेयर्स बॉर्डर्स विथ फ्रांस, द नीदरलैंड्स, जर्मनी एंड ओके सृष्टि. What is its name? Luxembourg. Okay, very good. Luxembourg. In the capital city Brussels, 80% people speak. Capital city of Brussels, 80% people. Rohit. Okay, very good. That means 80% of population was French in Brussels, even though they were minority in the whole country. Okay, next question. So I want to say from this chapter it will be very easier questions will come. Okay, just concepts based है और हम लोग को केवल composition and ethnic groups पढ़ना है. Brussels presented a special problem. What was it? ब्रुसेल्स में एक स्पेशल प्रॉब्लम था. क्या था वो? Dutch speaking people constituted a minority in the country but a majority in the capital. Dutch speaking people constituted a majority in the country but a minority in the capital. Other foreign languages were seeping in. English was becoming dominant. What was it? Okay, Aman. Dutch speaking people constituted majority in the country but a minority in the capital. So that was the problem. Yes. When did Sri Lanka emerge as an independent country? Okay, Ayub. (1948). Just 1 year later, India. Why power sharing is desirable, Rishu? Why power sharing is desirable? No. Anyone? Okay. Amitesh. Okay, it helps in reducing the possibility of social clashes. Very good. Power sharing is the very spirit of. Okay, Raki. Very good. Power sharing is the very spirit of democracy. So, डेमोक्रेसी का जो मेन स्पिरिट माना जाता है, किसको माना जाता है? पावर शेयरिंग को माना जाता है. Is that clear? Okay, very good. So now read this case. Okay, I'll read it out. The ethnic composition of Belgium is very complex. Of the country's total population, 59% lives in the Flemish region and speaks Dutch language. Another 40% people lives in the Wallonia region, and the remaining 1% of Belgians speak German. In the capital city of Brussels, 80% people speak French, while 20% are Dutch speaking. Sri Lanka, next case, Sri Lanka has a diverse population. The major social groups are Sinhala speakers 74% and the Tamil speakers 18%. Among Tamils, there are two subgroups. Tamil natives of the country are called Sri Lankan Tamils, 13%. The rest, whose forefathers came from India as plantation workers in the colonial period, are called Indian Tamils. So, I hope you all understood the case. यहाँ पे Dash government in Belgium is elected by one language community. So it doesn't relate to the case, but even though you all have understood it. Okay, Ria. The government in Belgium is elected by one language community. Okay, community government. You should do community, I naam to it will be community. Okay. Community government was a government that was elected by the people of Belgium belonging to a certain community or linguistic group. Like French had their own French community government that looked after the educational language problems or language related issues of the country. Okay. Which two languages are generally spoken in Belgium? French, Dutch, Spanish? Both A and B. This is a very simple question. विच इज द स्टेट रिलीजन ऑफ श्रीलंका? Okay. Buddhism. Which of this is the objective of federal system? To safeguard and promote unity of a country, promote unity of the country, both A and B, none of the above. Bittu? Very good, both A and B. To safeguard and promote unity of the country सही है, promote unity of the country ये भी सही है, एक प्रकार से दोनों चीज एक ही है, to safeguard ही हटा है, तो it is the correct. Which language was declared as the only official language of Sri Lanka by an act passed in 1956? Simple, Sinhala. Now assertion and reason. Power sharing is good for democracy. It helps to reduce the possibility of conflict between social groups. So assertion and reason सही है और reason जो है correct explanation है A का, ये रहेगा, या both A and R यानी कि assertion and reason सही है लेकिन reason correct explanation of A नहीं है. Assertion is correct लेकिन reason क्या है, गलत है. Assertion is wrong but reason is correct. Okay, Afroz. Very good. Both A and R यानी कि assertion भी सही है, reason भी सही है और reason जो है सही एक्सप्लेनेशन है assertion का. सही में क्यों? पावर शेयरिंग डेमोक्रेसी के तो बहुत अच्छा है, ये तो सही है. और क्यों अच्छा है? क्योंकि ये क्या रिड्यूस करता है, कॉन्फ्लिक्ट बिटवीन सोशल ग्रुप्स को क्या करता है, रिड्यूस करता है. बेल्जियम एंड श्रीलंका बोथ फेस एथिकल टेंशन अमंग डिफरेंट कम्युनिटीज. बोथ कंट्रीज हैड पीपल बिलोंगिंग टू डिफरेंट एथनिक बैकग्राउंड्स. रीजन तो देखो, एसर्शन पहले से पढ़ना है. एसर्शन मतलब बेल्जियम एंड श्रीलंका बोथ फेस्ड एथिकल टेंशन अमंग द डिफरेंट कम्युनिटीज. तुम लोग सोचो अब चैप्टर में कि ये जो लाइन गया है चैप्टर में, ये सिचुएशन है या नहीं है. तो यदि ये है तो तुमको लगना चाहिए कि ये ट्रू है, चलो ये सही है, ये असर्शन क्या है, सही है. अब इसका क्या है, ये रीजन क्या है, एक्सप्लेनेशन भी है. एक प्रकार से ये एक्सप्लेनेशन भी हो सकता है और ये रीजन गलत भी हो सकता है, सही भी हो सकता है. बोथ कंट्रीज हैड पीपल बिलोंगिंग टू डिफरेंट एथनिक ग्रुप बैकग्राउंड. सही है, ये भी ट्रू है. तो अब ये जो दिया गया है, क्या ये बेल्जियम और श्रीलंका का एक्सप्लेनेशन सही करता है? क्या एसर्शन को ये एक्सप्लेनेशन सही दे रहा है कि ये, क्या ये रीजन जो है सही एक्सप्लेन कर रहा है एसर्शन को? तो अब वो तुम्हारे ऊपर डिपेंडेंट है. अब तुम लोग, अब आधा आंसर मिल गया है, बोथ ट्रू है, बोथ ट्रू है. अब यदि एक्सप्लेनेशन करेक्ट होगा तो ये सही होगा, अगर करेक्ट नहीं होगा तो ये होगा. दोनों में से एक है, लेकिन ये दोनों अब इक्वेशन से हट गया है. समझ रहे हो ना? अब दोनों में से एक होगा. क्या होगा? या तो एक्सप्लेनेशन सही है या तो एक्सप्लेनेशन गलत है. ओके राजवीर, no, wrong, it is wrong. This will be the correct answer. Okay, both A and R are true. R is the correct explanation of A. यानी कि बेल्जियम एंड श्रीलंका में एथिकल टेंशन थे, डिफरेंट कम्युनिटीज दोनों में थे. तो बोथ पीपल बिलोंगिंग टू डिफरेंट एथनिक बैकग्राउंड्स, बोथ कंट्री में बोथ एथनिक बैकग्राउंड से बिलोंग करते थे, इसीलिए एथिकल टेंशंस वहां पे क्रिएट हो रहे थे, क्योंकि वहां पे क्या था, डाइवर्सिटी था. When did the civil war of Sri Lanka end? कौन बताएगा? Is it correct? Okay, very good. 2009. How many times was the Constitution of Belgium amended? Okay, Satyam, come. Simplest question for you. Okay, 4 times. Very good. 4 times. Okay, why was it amended 4 times? Why was it amended 4 times? Anyone? Okay, Dubeyji, come. You can tell the answer to everyone.
It was amended to enhance the equality among the diverse religions group of the or ethnic groups of the Belgium.
Don't tell religious, but tell linguistic group.
Sorry, linguistic group.
Okay, very good. So accommodate the diversities between the various linguistic group, not various, 2 linguistic group and 1 German. You can say the Belgium, the country of Belgium amended the constitution how many times? 4 times. Very good, 4 times. The Constitution of Belgium prescribes that the number of Dutch and French speaking ministers dash in the central government. Okay, Muskan. Prasun. Go. Prasun. Okay, the answer will be equal. The answer will be equal. That means it shows that why I asked you is that I wanted to know whether you are confident about your answer or not. Either you are guessing. ये भी तो हो सकता है भाई MCQ है तुक्का लगा रहे हो. That's why I asked someone. So he was confused. The answer will be shall be equal. Is that clear? So don't get confused, okay? Be confident about your answer, even if it's incorrect. Give one moral reason why power sharing is good. Now understand the question, okay? Give one moral reason as why power sharing is good. Okay, Satyam. You are saying A. Okay, go. Aditya. That's why I told you all to read the question properly. Look, now I'll explain the answer. It helps to reduce the possibility of conflict in the social groups. Power sharing का ये भी है reason. Power sharing हम लोग क्यों करते हैं? ये भी रीजन सही है कि हम लोग पावर शेयरिंग क्यों करते हैं. इट डज नॉट लीड टू कंफ्यूजन इन मैनेजिंग द स्टेट्स. ओके, ये भी हम लोग एक प्रकार सही मान ले. ओके, पावर शेयरिंग इज गुड वे टू इंश्योर स्टेबिलिटी ऑफ पॉलिटिकल ऑर्डर. ये भी सही है एक प्रकार से. बट द क्वेश्चन इज आस्किंग व्हाई. गिव वन मोरल रीजन. रिमेंबर दिस, देयर आर 2 टाइप्स ऑफ रीजन. वन इज प्रूडेंशियल एंड वन इज moral. So as a moral, people have a right to be consulted on how they are to be governed. एक बार एक लोगों को भी एक मतलब एक मौका मिलना चाहिए, उनको भी अधिकार मिलना चाहिए कि वो लोग को भी बोलने का अधिकार मिलना चाहिए कि वो लोग को कैसे रूल किया जाए. Is that clear? So एक प्रकार से ये moral reason बन जाएगा. These 3 can be as prudential reason. That's why Satyam, I told you to read the question properly. So this will be the last question for today. Oh, same repeated question. Sorry. Okay, that means the question has been mismatched. Sorry for that. I had made one more. Okay, this is the same question. I want Abhinav. Okay, that means this was the same question. That means you were paying attention in the class. So this was some question which I had prepared from this power sharing chapter. I hope you all were able to understand. There is that much not more in this chapter to understand. It is only the basic chapter which will lead towards federalism. Is that clear? This chapter was it was a stepping stone towards the chapter. That is second chapter in democratic politics, that is फेडरलिज्म. उसको पढ़ने से पहले ये जानना जरूरी था. हम लोग ने ये चैप्टर इसलिए पढ़े थे बेटा, तुम लोग अभी मैं बता रहा हूं, क्योंकि हम लोगों को पावर शेयरिंग करने की जरूरत क्यों पड़ी. ये कहां से एक प्रकार से आया. तो नॉट ओनली बेल्जियम एंड श्रीलंका, देयर वर अदर कंट्रीज आल्सो दैट हैड प्रॉब्लम्स, बट हम लोग ने बेल्जियम एंड श्रीलंका को इसलिए देखे क्योंकि ये दो ऐसे कंट्रीज है जहां पे दोनों देशों ने अलग अलग तरीके से क्या किया है, हैंडल किया है अपने कंट्री के लिंग्विस्टिक डाइवर्सिटीज या रिलीजियस डाइवर्सिटीज को. सो आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड. तो यही चैप्टर तुम्हारा लीड करेगा सेकेंड चैप्टर में फेडरलिज्म पे. तो इसी कंसेप्ट, इसी बेसिस पे तुम्हारा चैप्टर बनेगा. सो वी विल डिस्कस some more multiple choice question from this chapter in tomorrow's classes, and I will try to cover the resource based question or the case based question. Thank you. Stay safe, stay healthy.